How to open American Express high yield savings account. Looking for a safe place to grow your money? Let's open an American Express high yield savings account step by step. So, first go to the American Express personal savings website and select high yield savings account. Now, from here, click on this open an account button to begin. So, that will take you into the application form page. So as you can see in here, you can go ahead and log into your existing account on American Express. You can also create a new account. So from here, you need to enter your personal details, name, date of birth, social security number, US address, and email or phone number. There is no minimum deposit required. Link your external bank and transfer funds electronically. You can also set up automatic deposits. Access your account online anytime. Interest compounds daily and is credited monthly. You can transfer money in and out easily. Enjoy no monthly fees. FDIC insurance up to legal limits and flexible transfers. Remember, this is an online only account. No ATM card or branch access. And that's it. Your American Express high yield savings account is open and ready to help your money grow.